So my question to you, very humbly put, is that according to the data that is accessible to us, for about 53%, Mudra was started by you, 53% of the loans are NPA, which is 4 lakh crore. This is what our महिला सक्षम है उसको अपला मत वाला सबला है ये महिला. She doesn't need to be defended. And one more small question, since you talked about onions, I just have a small query that I appreciate that you managed getting onions from Egypt. I come from Maharashtra, which is the largest pool collector of onions. Why has the production gone down? A. B. Bharti Pawar, she's sitting right here. She represents Nasik, so she will agree with me. This is not a political point I'm making at all. But the onion prices, when they were rock bottom, is the time of duration you gave. Was that the reason that they did not get the rice remitter of prices? The MSP was not good. Hence, was the production gone down? Because I take great pride in being an Indian and proud to be an Indian, which feeds every Indian's mouth. So why is the production gone down? I'm not happy eating Egyptian onions. Why should India do it? And we export rice, we export milk, so many products. We are the second largest rice producer in the world, and wheat. Why are we doing this? Isn't it a regressive step? If you could kindly clarify both the points about the Mudra loan, which is NPA, as well as the onions, because the onion grower is the small farmer. The onion farmer is not the 20 and 30 acre one. He's the small farmer with less water. So he really needs to be protected, is my request.
In fact, मैं इतना लहसुन प्याज नहीं खाती हूँ जी, so don't worry. मैं ऐसे परिवार से आती हूँ जहाँ अनियन प्याज का मतलब नहीं रखते हैं. No, Honorable Member Supriya ji, I must say from 2014, I've also been part of some of the group of ministers which monitored the ups and downs in onion markets. Sometimes when there is a surplus of crop, we've also facilitated by giving support to those people who want to export it. I have overnight passed orders for helping with 5 to 7% assistance for exporting it. The price stability fund, the price stabilization fund has been used, and therefore a buffer stock of about 57,302.90 metric tons of onions was built, and this was based on the Rabi harvest of April-May 2019. From Maharashtra, 48,184 metric tons, and Gujarat, 9,189 metric tons were procured for that purpose, out of which a quantity of around 26,842 metric tons, which is about 46.78% of procurement, was supplied to the various governments, agencies, cooperatives, and sold in various mandis through open auction during the period ending October 2019. So it's not as if we have not taken some steps. You have said some steps. I'm telling you some of the steps which we are taking. अरे मेरा पूरा सुनिए ना, पूरा सुनिए ना.
माननीय मंत्री जी के अलावा किसी का दर्ज नहीं हो.
So a quantity of around 11,513 metric tons, which is again 20% of low quality onions, were disposed by the NAFED in local markets. I just want to give you the figures as a percentage also. Total procurement buffer stock position of Rabi based onions as on 2nd December 2019 is 57,372.90 metric tons. That is the total procured. Total storage is of 56,000 and so on. So the steps which we have taken other than procurement, I want to let you know the distribution which is happening through open auction in mandis such as Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Chennai. Onions also supplied to states and other agencies for retailing, distribution and supplied to Delhi NCR through Mother Dairy, NCCF and the NAFED and Government of NCT of Delhi for direct retailing at regulated prices have been distributed. I also want to say the export of onions have been banned by the DGFT's notification as of September 2019, 29 September, so it must have come into implementation at the fag end of September. Stock limits of onions imposed in September on that same notification 29/9/19, 100 quintals on retail traders and 500 quintals on wholesalers under Essential Commodities Act. So that has also been invoked. Government has decided to import or procure from open market 1 lakh metric tons of onions from surplus countries and regions. In this regard, you must have seen in the media, MMTC has already floated the tenders. So, NAFED...
All the measures you have taken does not have any tangible impact upon the market. It will take time. It will take time.
All right, sir. NAFED was directed to procure surplus onions from Rajasthan and other distribution centers and to send it to deficit states. So that activity is also going. Dispatch of onions from Alwar, Rajasthan, which I want to give you because that procurement has definitely gone to certain parts. Gone to Delhi, 28 truckloads have gone to Delhi, which is directly from Alwar. 442 metric tons have come from there. Bihar, 8 truckloads have gone. 263.03 metric tons have been sent from Alwar directly to Bihar. Jharkhand, 5 truckloads have been sent, 179.64 metric tons have gone to Jharkhand directly from Alwar. So there are many other propositions. MMTC is importing from Egypt. MMTC has placed an order from Turkey. They are also coming in. So I just want to let you know, that various steps have been taken for the distribution of onion in the shortage-ridden areas. This is some steps which I have given. There are many others which the concerned ministry will also speak about.